Good morning, guys. I woke up about an hour back or so, and I'm wondering now if I should go to Jantar Mantar, because bunch of things have happened. The Prime Minister has released a statement saying Paper League is not a non-serious thing, and they are going to issue a bill. Sonam Wangchuk has broken his protest, and the government has said they are willing to talk to students at a place or time of their choosing. So the government has eased up for once, right? And so I'm not sure if I'll go right now. So I'm thinking I'll decide in a couple of hours if going right now is important enough as it was. But the protest has been quite successful at least, not quite. We don't know if it's quite successful, but it's been somewhat successful already, right? It's gotten a very arrogant government to kind of admit that the protest exists, and the issues that the students have been raising have been important. All right, so cool. Good morning to you guys. Have a good day. Try to be happy. Okay, I'll figure out what I'll do. I'm not lifting today. I only lifted once this week. I'll lift once again on Sunday, upper body. Cool. I'll catch you. Hey guys, I'm going to eat something outside right now. I'm trying to relax. My body is really fatigued right now. I think the pounding that I've given it over the last 6 months is haunting me now, right? My shoulders are stiff, my neck is stiff, and all this pain, I think now in hindsight I feel it's all because of the pressure I put on my body in the last 6 months. But fine. See, the thought I have right now is this, right? When you're gonna die, and all of us gonna die, and it's got nothing to do with how much money you make in your life, right? You will be remembered as either a much loved person, or either as a much hated person, either as a nobody, right? If you had to choose between these three, which one would you choose? Think about that. ओ कितनी तेरा रुतबा कटदा जे हंस के बुला लवी किधरे कितनी शानो शौकता जानिया मोहब्बता जता लवी किधरे कितनी तेरा रुतबा कटदा वे हंस के बुला लवी किधरे. This is Sector 56 Hudda Market in Gurgaon. I frequent here like a few times a week. Like today I came here to have biryani and have chai. This is a cafe called Lakshman Cafe. They fucked up the billboard. It's called Lakshman Cafe. But it's Lakshman Cafe and generally buzzing with people. It's quite a nice place. You know, you guys may have heard that proverb, bang for the buck, right? You get the maximum bang for the buck. That means whatever you spend, you get the maximum value, right? But you know, I just coined a new muhavra. Okay, so if you go to a prostitute, like I'm not saying you, like anybody goes and you try to negotiate with her, right? So what you're trying to get here is bang for the fuck. Does that make sense? Hey guys, it's about 8 p.m. and it's time I leave for the show. The show's at 9 and 11. Okay, I'm not doing 11 p.m. because I booked swimming in the evening, morning tomorrow, early morning, 6 and 7. So if I do the 11 p.m. show, I'll come back late and I'll get late and whatever. So I'm not doing the 11 p.m. show. I'm only doing the 9 p.m. show. I slept like an hour to bed. You know, my neck is about 80% fine. So I've been able to dance. Oh damn! The moment I mention it, like there was a sharp pain again. But this nerve is there, right? It's called some nerve. I forget the name. I just wear it somewhere. But I have the thing exactly in that nerve. The doctor said that you come in case it doesn't get better in 3-4 days. It's like I spoke for 2 days back. So it's better about 72, 75, about 70, 75%. I can't calculate the percentage. There's no formula. It's just a guess. Quite tired, you know. So I'll go for the one. I'll at least go for one show. So I'm recording also tomorrow, so I should kind of like do that joke, the Ravina Tandon joke. So I'll do that. Cool. Okay, there's a lot of work to do. I just don't get enough time to do everything actually. But this year has mostly been about fixing my health, because I lost both my physical and mental, all sort of health. Like between 24 and 25 December, I was at home and depressed. Yeah, I was depressed. So this year is quite about, and physically also I moved to 71.4 kilos. I remember I weighed myself around November, December. Like I was 71.4. It was horrendous. So this year has been a lot about fixing my health for the rest of my life. Literally setting the foundation for it. Not being able to move the needle financially or otherwise in stand-up. I'm trying with the other stuff. I'm also trying to do the vlogs, all of that. This vlog. Hopefully continue, right? So cool. Thanks for watching. I just quickly get up and head for the show. Okay, I'll have some dinner. I don't know what I'll have, but I'll have something. See you. Some songs have stayed with me since childhood, and this song is one of those. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम. You shouldn't sing while driving. Hey guys, I'm back home. The day is over. I just want to talk briefly about these people who call themselves introverts. How the fuck are they peaceful inside? How are they not imploding? Implode is the opposite of explode. Under se kyun nahi fat rahe hain log. This is guy in the show, SPGN graduate, right? My business school, right? I went to SPGN Singapore, Dubai, and these guys went to. So SPGN has multiple international campuses. So these guys went to Singapore, Dubai, Sydney. So these three campuses. And this guy was an introvert. He's about 26 years old, and he never dated a girl. He liked girls. And I'm like, शादी कैसे होगी तेरी? And he's like, मम्मी पापा करवा देंगे. मतलब कैसे जी रहा है वो? Like 8 साल हो गया उसको adult हुए. Never dated a girl. Hasn't put himself out there on dating sites. Hasn't tried to find someone. And he's like, he wants to date a girl clearly, but he's an introvert, so he can't. ये फट कैसे नहीं रहा अंदर? Like I don't know. I need to understand introverts better. I have a book at home, by the way, about introverts. It's a very famous book. I forget the name of the book, but I really need to read that book because मेरी समझ से बाहर हैं लोग. If you are an introvert, I don't know how do you guys exist. Anyway, next video is the day review, and then the day is over. Hey guys, the day review. The day is about 7 on 10. I've been working on healing my neck. My physio has given me a few exercises which I'm working on. So the neck is about 80% fine, which is great, right? I did not swim today because I took a break from swimming. I'm spending a lot of time swimming this week, obviously because I couldn't lift and all. So I took a break from swimming also. I did the show. I hosted the show. The show was pretty good. There were 4 Googlers, 2 SPGN graduates, bunch of other people I didn't speak to. 2 or 3 guys who came to watch comedy for the first time, which is every day. पता नहीं कौन सी गुफा से निकल के आते हैं लोग. So the show went well. I had a dance class which went well. So overall the food was alright. I've been tracking my food, so I checked with Roger. I try to keep my nutrition score between 9 to 10. So today it's 9.6. Tomorrow I have to go to Noida. I didn't swim today also because I booked swimming tomorrow morning, 6 and 7. 6 to 8 I'm swimming in the morning because tomorrow in the evening I can't work out because I have recording in Noida. So I'm going to Noida to record a few comedy videos. Alright, I think that's about it. Try to be happy. Okay, I didn't go to the protest today again. because the situation had changed. But I need to see if I want to go again. So that'll be it. All right. So good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.